Hi everyone, I am Vijay Jayasuriya from third year CSC at Technical Institute of Technology. In this video, I am going to explain the problem with its special characters. Let's explore the problem statement. Here, the input will be INSTR, which is a non-empty string containing only letters, numbers, and white spaces, and we have to print a string out str based on the below logic. Let's explore the logic below. At first, we have to calculate the special index. Let me tell you how to calculate the special index. It is the absolute index obtained by subtracting the number of occurrences of highest occurring letter and the number of occurrences of highest occurring digit in INSTR. Let's see an example and calculate the special index. Here the input is 999 space AA space 22AA. Here we have to consider two cases. One is the alphabet case and the other is the digit case. For alphabet case, here there is only one alphabet A which is repeated, which is occurred for 4 times. So the number of occurrences of highest occurring alphabet A is 4. Also, we have to consider digit case. Here we have two digits, 9 and 2. 9 is repeated for 3 times and 2 is repeated for 2 times. Out of these two, the maximum will be between 3 and 2, the maximum will be 3. So the special index will be the absolute difference between number of occurrences of highest occurring alphabet and number of occurrences of highest occurring digit. So 4 minus 3, which will be 1. After calculating the special index, there will be two cases. If the we have to find out the character of the special index. The two cases are if the character of the special index is a white space, we have to ignore the removal of character. If the character of the special index is a non-white space, which is other than white space, if there is any character, we have to remove all occurrences of the character in the INSTR at special index. In this example, we have got special index as 1. So we have to go to index 1. We have 9 as the character at special index. So we have to remove all the occurrences of 9. After removing the occurrences of 9, the string will become as space AA space 2 to AA. At last, we have to perform an operation, replace all occurrences of white spaces in the above formal string with a dollar symbol. After removing the occurrences of 9, the input string will be converted to space AA space 2 to AA. We have to replace the remaining white spaces with dollar. So, after removing the white spaces and replacing it with dollar, the output will be dollar AA dollar 2 to AA. Let us go through with another example. At first, here the input string is I space there. We have to calculate the special index first. We have to consider both the cases, digit case and alphabet case. Here we don't have any digits, so it will be 0. And coming to alphabet case, here H occurs for 2 times and E occurs for 2 times. T occurs for 1 time, I occurs for 1 time, R occurs for 1 time. Out of these, H and E are occur for 2 times, which is maximum. We have to take maximum as 2. The special index will be 2 minus 0, which is 2. After calculating special index, we have to go to the character of special index. Here, at index 2, it is a white space. If the character of special index is white space, we do not remove any character. At last, we have to perform an operation like replace the white space with the dollar symbol. After replacing white space with dollar, the output will be as dollar there. Let us see the below two examples also. In this here the input is A triple A space 111 space B. The special index of this input will be for alphabet case. Here there are two alphabets A and B. A occurs for 3 times and B occurs for 1 time. Out of these two, the maximum will be 3. And coming to digit case, 1 occurs for 6 times. So it will be the maximum corresponding to digit case. The special index will be absolute difference between alphabet occurring, maximum occurring occurrence of alphabet as well as minus maximum occurrence of digit. So So 6 minus 3 will be 3. We have to check the character of the special index. And index 3, we have white space. If it is a white space, we do not remove any character. At last, we have to replace all the white spaces with dollar symbol. The final output will be AAA dollar 111 dollar 3. Also see this example. Here, the input string is AB space 123. For calculating the special index, first consider the alphabet case. Here there are two alphabets, A and B. A occurred for two times and B occurred for two times. Out of this, the maximum of 2, 2 will be 2 only. And coming to digit case, 1 occurred for one time, 2 for one time, 3 for one time. Maximum among all the ones will be 1 only. So the special index will be 2 minus 1, which is 1. We have to go to index 1. Here the character of the special index is B. We have which is not a white space. So as above mentioned, if it is not a white space, we have to remove all the occurrence of character at special index. So we have to remove the occurrence of B in the entire string. B will be removed, B will be removed. So the int string will be converted to A space 1 to 3. At last we have to replace the white space with a dollar symbol. Finally the output will be A dollar 1 to 3. Let us let us see the coding part also. Here S will be the input and AC and DC are the I assume AC as alphabet count which is initial 0 assign and DC is the digit count. AC is the number of occurrences of highest occurring alphabet and DC will be the number of occurrences of highest occurring digit. First we have to traverse the entire string. For each iteration, we have to consider two cases. If the iterable is an alphabet or if the iterable is a digit. If it is an alphabet, we have to count the number of occurrences of that alphabet and compare it with the previous maximum occurrence of an alphabet. Suppose, let's see this example. At first, A will come. So, A is an alphabet. In this step, we count the number of occurrences of A. So, A occurrences are 3. 3 will be stored in C. In the below step, the maximum of AC comma C. It means AC is initially 0 and C will be 3. Out of these two maximum 0 comma 3, 3 will be stored into AC. Next, for remaining these two A's also, it will remain same. And next, 1 will come. 1 is a digit. So, it will calculate the count of 1, which is 6. Here 1 occurred for 6 times. The 6 will be stored in C. In the below step, we are calculating the maximum out of DC comma C. In DC is initialized 0 at first, and C is 6. Maximum 0 comma 6 is 6, and 6 will be stored in DC. And for all the remaining ones, it is maintained as 6 only. That is it. At last, B will come. B is an alphabet. In this step, we count the number of occurrences of B. As the count of B will give 1 because 1 B occurs for one time and 1 will be stored in C. In the below step, max of AC comma C. AC is previously become 3 for the case A and C is 1. Maximum of 3 comma 1 will be 3 only. So the alphabet count so far is 3 and digit count is 6. After finding the alphabet count and digit count, we have to calculate the special index. The special index will be absolute difference between alphabet count minus digit count. After calculating the special index, we have to check what character is presented at the special index. If the character of the special index is not a white space, we have to perform operation like we have to replace the character, remove all the occurrence of the character special index. So I am performing replace option by replacing the character special index with the empty space. So the character will be removed. All the occurrence of the character will be removed by using replace method. And finally, we replace all the white spaces with a dollar symbol. If the character of question next is a white space, we just replace the white spaces with a dollar, which is the last operation. And finally, we print the cake. Let us run the code and submit this. Thank you for this opportunity.